Welcome back to ASA Learnings. Today we will be covering the project integration management, one of the key areas as per the PMBOK 6th edition. So let's get started, friends. So today video we will cover the understanding of the knowledge area, 10 knowledge areas as per the PMBOK 6th edition, and the key topic for today which is project integration management. In terms of knowledge areas, so if we will talk about the keywords for the knowledge areas, first is identified areas of the project management defined by its knowledge requirements and which can be described its components, processes, inputs, tools and techniques and outputs. As per the PMBOK, 10 knowledge areas are described. So if we will talk about the 10 knowledge areas: integration management, cost management, risk management, communication management, scope management, quality management, procurement management, stakeholder management, schedule management, and resource management. So let's start it with our topic for the day, which is project integration management. Keywords for project integration management is identify, define, combine, unify and coordinate the various processes and the process management group within the project management process groups. If we will talk about the different processes, it can be in terms of scope, time, cost, quality, human resource, communication, resources and procurement. So let's understand the different processes under the project integration management. So this is the key area which are having total 7 processes, and it is the part of each and individual process groups. So in initiating process group, there is the one process which is develop project charter. Under planning, there is also one process which is develop project management. 2 processes in the executing process group. One is direct and manage project work. Second is manage project knowledge. 2 further processes in the monitoring and control process groups: monitor and control project work and perform integrated change control. And one process in the closing process, which is close project or phase. So let's understand the first process. So let's start it with the first process of the integration management, which is develop project charter. Keywords for this process are: it's the process of developing a document that authorizes the existence of a project. Second thing is, it provides the authority to the project manager to apply the resources towards the project. Let's understand the components of the project charter. It defines the project purposes. It assigns the project manager in the project, describes the high-level requirements, overall project risk, project objectives, key stakeholders, summary milestones. Let's discuss about the process in the planning process group, which is develop project management plan. Keywords for develop project management plan is: it defines, prepares and coordinates all the plan components and consolidates them into an integrated plan which describes how the project will be executed, monitored, controlled and closed. So let's understand the components of the project management plan. So total there are 10 subsidiary plans. In subsidiary plans, scope, requirement, schedule, cost, quality, resource, communication, risk, procurement, and stakeholders. In terms of the baselines, there are 3 baselines which are the part of the project management plan: scope, schedule, and cost. In terms of additional components, it can be the change management plan, how the change will be managed in the project, what would be the project life cycle, how the performance will be measured, and what would be our development approach, which will be followed in the project management plan. So now we understand the processes under the executing process group, which is direct and manage project work. Keywords for direct and manage project work are leading and performing the work, which is defined in our project management plan, and how to implement the approved changes. So let's understand what are the key outputs for this process. First is deliverables. What are the deliverables of the project? Work performance data, which will tell how much work has been completed. Issue log, it determines what are the issues going on in the project, what are the change requests which is asked by the project stakeholders, and update of the project management plan and project document updates. So another process in the executing process group is manage project knowledge. Keywords of the manage project knowledge is using existing lesson learned in the previous projects and creating the new lessons learned, creating the new knowledge. And key outputs of the manage project knowledge are lessons learned register and the updates of the project management plan. So now we will be moving from executing process group to monitor and controlling process group, and we will be discussing monitor and control project work process. Keywords for monitor and control project work are tracking, reviewing, reporting the overall progress, so that we can ascertain whether we are what is the status of the project, whether we are behind and or whether we are ahead of the project schedule. It allows stakeholders to understand what's the current state of the project, what are the actions which has been performed, what are the activities which are in progress, and to have the visibility about the future, whether there is a sufficient cost available, and in terms of schedule where we are. In terms of the outputs of the monitor and control project work are work performance reports, change requests, updates of the project management plan, and the project documents. Project document updates, if you talk about, it can be the issue log or cost forecast or lessons learned register. Another process we will discuss about the perform integrated change control. Keywords for this process are reviewing all the change requests, see how the change request will be approved, how we will manage the changes in terms of deliverables, and project management plan. The last process is in the closing process group is close project or phase. Keywords for the close project or phase is finalizing all the activities for the project phase or contract. Key benefits for this process is we will be able to know whether the project or phase is completed. Let's archive the project or phase, complete our planned work, and the team of the project will be released from the project. Key outputs are project documents updates, what are the final product, service or results, final report, and organizational process updates. So keep watching, and we will be coming the new knowledge area of the project. Thank you everyone.
And